India is the fifth largest car market in the world and has the potential to become one of the top 3 in the near future. With about 400 million customers in need of mobility solutions by the year 2030. To ensure a positive growth rate towards achieving India's net zero emissions by 2070, a mobility revolution is required in India, which will lead to better walkability, public transportation, railways, roads, and better cars. Many of these better cars are likely to be green. The future of electric vehicles in India is very promising, and because of this reason, the state government has the vision to make Karnataka a preferred destination for research, design, testing and manufacturing of electric vehicles. In view of the above growth potential and to support state vision and challenges in electric vehicle segment and its infrastructure, JSS Mahavidyapeeth is establishing an electric vehicle mobility center of excellence and innovation. This will serve as a platform for startups, students and young entrepreneurs, provide incubating facilities, assist product design and realization, skill development and training, and foster research activities. JSS MVP, a formidable educational movement, can be traced to the establishment of a small hostel in 1928 to cater to the accommodation needs of students pursuing higher studies in Mysore. His Holiness Jagadguru Dr. Sri Shivaratri Rajendra Mahaswamiji established the JSS Shivaratrishwara Mahavidyapeeth in 1954, focusing on a purpose as expansive and yet as specific as improving quality of life through human development, a long and healthy life, education for all, and a decent standard of living. The indicators of human development have been the underlying philosophy of Jagadguru Shri Veera Simhasana Mahasamasthana Math. JSS Mahavidyapeeth has emerged as a hub of innovation with its guiding principles through its nationwide engineering colleges, polytechnics, technical and medical institutions. It is also igniting change that will have an effect on future generations by collaborating with policymakers and practitioners across the globe to enhance people's lives in the present. To accomplish this aspiration of the Karnataka government, JSS Mahavidyapeeth is collaborating with Dassault Systems to build Electric Vehicle Mobility Center of Excellence and Innovation, equipped with Electromobility Accelerator, industry solution experiences and develop workforce with the necessary skill in the industry verticals of EV engineering, EV infrastructure and EV manufacturing to support the growth through skill development. The center will focus on core engineering skills covering battery system engineering, electric drivetrain, chassis suspension strength and durability, brake system engineering, powertrain thermal management, powertrain dynamics, body structure concept engineering, body structure, noise and vibration, vehicle aerodynamics, and many more. We are happy to partner with JSS Mahavidyapeeth to set up this Electric Vehicle Mobility Center of Excellence and Innovation with a mission to create a pool of knowledge and infuse appropriate skills and competence by establishing rigor in quality skilling, research and teaching in the field of electric vehicle.